Hi guys. Warning. This video may contain information that may be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, activate notifications to not miss any opportunity to know, like and share. See you soon. Hi guys. Let's start with Camtasia Studio. This is an explanation of Camtasia Studio with interesting features, including the backup speed of the file after the video job is done, which reduces the file in seconds instead of waiting a long time. 1080p video can be saved via Camtasia Studio 8. Overcome the problem of spasms and sudden breaks in previous versions of Camtasia. There are great opportunities for desktop photography, video editing and production in a new format. Some nice features in Camtasia Studio. First, the ability to shoot everything you do on the computer. If you want to offer a pedagogical explanation to anyone, Camtasia Studio will make it easier for you to communicate information, and even more so with audio and video, so that the recipient can understand them more clearly. Second, the ability to edit the video in several ways. Camtasia Studio allows you to cut or merge a video again while removing any unwanted part of your video. Merging the video with another one has become child's play, with the ability to remove the sound from the video and replace it with another one. Third, create your own videos with the rights assigned to them. With Camtasia Studio, you can make your own videos, each of your personal productions, and put your brand, as well as your intellectual and literary rights. Fourth, create different and varied effects yourself. With Camtasia Studio, you can easily create beautiful video effects, sound effects and image effects. save the video in the format of your choice. Camtasia Studio offers you a wide range of high and low formats to record your video. Sixth, Camtasia Studio will be without any additional program. As a result, you will not be able to run all other editing programs that require great skill in video preparation and streaming, such as Adobe After Effects, Sony Vegas. 7. The program is scalable and easy to use compared to other programs that require someone very experienced in this area. To download Camtasia Studio, see the link in description. That's all for today. See you in another video.